up on stands right now. We're doing a little oil change in the G. Got that dirty fucking oil. It's hard to see what it is. It's pretty dark. Let's see if I can't get a focus of it. Yeah, about halfway. Sure. High mileage Mobil 1. Full synthetic. I replaced that end bolt right there coming off the downpipe with the new one because that one was starting to rust the fuck apart. So I had to do that. Alright, goes the core pack sound. Looking pretty fresh. Alright, yeah. Hopefully this will fix my G35 misfire. So pulled them out over here. Fucking wiring harness just won't move out of the damn way. Alright, pop the new coil packs in there. Nice and shiny. They made a better clicking sound than the other ones. I believe the other ones are just fucking decayed, like the plastic is just molded off in there. They just were fucking, they're just done for. I don't know what to see. So if your car is throwing a p0300 code, misfire, random misfire, multiple cylinders or whatnot, could be many things. Could be your spark plugs not gapped right, faulty wiring in the wiring harness, vacuum leaks in the intake manifold, these couple vacuum hoses over there, your battery shorting out, not the right octane level in your fuel. Your mass airflow sensor could be clogged, throttle body could be fucked up. I cleaned both my mass airflow sensor and throttle body, that wasn't the problem. Nice fellow YouTuber, the name of Motordyne G35 dude. He told me that it was the coil packs that usually go around these G35s years like 2003, 4, and 5, and 6. Especially with the rev up motors, they just seem to top out around 85,000 miles, I believe it is. And yeah, after that they're pretty much just shot. So yeah, you have to throw new ones in there. And yeah, that's my problem, and that fixed it. I'm still throwing a couple codes for my O2 sensors since I took out my cats and put just straight downpipes in off the headers. So I have to put a couple defloggers on there because it keeps leaning out and then running rich and then leaning out again. Computer does not know what the fuck is going on with that, so I have to fix that. Hopefully get a tune on her pretty soon. Yeah, hope to do that. And the rust on this thing is just monstrous right here. Oh my fucking god, it is brutally just disgusting. Disturbs my soul. Me and my good chiefer friend from Chief Sideways are gonna have to make a nice video about JDM rust repair. Pull into the nice garage right here, a 2-car workshop, and pull this bitch in and the MR2 and scrape off some fucking rust. Re-fucking paint the wheels. Put a cardboard diffuser on there. Call me fucking Don Swally, I guess. Jesus.